So friends, today we are going to start our new topic, and that would be the melodic minor scales. Now till now we have learned major scale, minor scale, harmonic minor scale. Now in grade 3, they are going to introduce you melodic minor scale as well. So what is melodic minor scale? In simple terms, if you can see this one, and if you know the formula of minor scale, that is whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. And in the harmonic, we just raise. Okay, let me just show you by the keyboard only. It will be easier for you to understand. One second. So this one, if I made it for you. So if you remember that the minor scale is simple. This is, I've taken an example of A minor scale. Okay, so the whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole, or you can say tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. This is the formula of your minor scale. Now when you raise the seventh degree, that becomes your harmonic minor scale. And while coming back also is you have to keep it raised. Okay, that is your harmonic minor scale. Now in the melodic minor scale, the formula is same. The only thing is you raise the sixth note as well as a semitone. So in the harmonic one, you raised only the seventh note with the semitone, and in the melodic one you raise the seventh and the sixth, both of them with the semitone. But the only thing is when you come back, when you play it reverse way, so like going upwards, you raise the sixth and seventh note by a half tone, but when you come back down, you will not raise any, you will go back to the natural minor scale. So that means if while going up you have raised your seventh note, that means you played F sharp, you played this scale, you played F sharp and G sharp while playing upwards. When you come back down, you're gonna play A and G natural and F natural. You will not play F sharp or G sharp. Okay, so I hope you understood why going up you will raise the sixth and the seventh degree of that scale by a semitone, and while coming back you will go back to the natural tone, to the natural minor. Okay, so let's do some exercises so you will understand in a better way. Yeah, so let's do the first exercise. So you can see in the first exercise they're saying change the following scales from natural minor scale to melodic minor scale, and they have given the key signature. This is either you can say F major or your D minor, because see you start with a D, so this is a D minor scale. So D minor scale, while going up you can see they have raised the note, because it was supposed to be flat. It's supposed to be flat, but they made it raised by semitone, so it became natural, and this was natural, so it became sharp. And while going back you come back to the original degrees, so this was natural and this was flat. You can see this one. Okay, so let's do the first one. This is our bass clef and the key signature is sharp. That means either this could be this should be E minor, because G major has the same key signature, but this is a minor scale, so we're going with the E minor. So E minor, we know that our F note is sharp. Okay, so let's start with the E here. So you can see the note is also E. So this is E, F, G, A, B, C, D and E. So this is our eighth note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the seventh note is, so we have to raise our this note and this note by a semitone. So we know F sharp, so F has already come here. Yes, so this is our E, F, G, A, B, C and D note. So we have to raise the D as D sharp. This will become D sharp. Okay, and the C as well becomes a sharp. Okay, now but while coming back you go back to the natural, so this becomes a natural sign, so you will turn them as natural. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Okay, now the next one is again bass clef, and this starts with A note. So this is A minor. So A minor does not have any key signature. All the keys are white only. So while going up, we have to raise again the seventh and the sixth note. We have to raise by a semitone. So this becomes sharp because they are natural. They are natural, so they become sharp, and while coming back, they go back to the natural. Okay, so here we have done this exercise. Let's move to the next one. Next one says write a 1 octave E melodic minor scale in minims going up and then down. Use a key signature. So we have to write E minor scale. So E minor scale we know contains one sharp as a key signature. Okay, and that will be F note. So this is a bass clef. So that means we go with G. Green burst drives fast. E F. So this becomes your key signature. Okay, and we're going to start E with the lower one. So because you have to go up and then down. Okay, so let's start with this one. First leisure line from the bottom. Okay, then move. Let's finish here first. So according to that, and let's make one at the center. This will be the third space. Center will be here, third space. So now if you make our note, this is E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. Then we come back D, C, B, A, G, F, and E. Now to make them melodic minor scale, we need to raise their 7th and 6th degree. So this is their 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have to raise this one. Okay, and we have to raise this one. Now we know this is F, so E, F. So we don't have to do this one, just become sharp. So these two notes become sharp. Okay, and while going back they become natural. Now we have to take care of only one thing, that it's saying 1 octave melodic minor scale in minims going up. So minims, we just need to create the stems. This E, so we just this can go up as well. Now we come down. And sorry, we go down, keep going down. Now this one go up as well, sorry. So we from here again we go up. So here we go. Okay, so here we finish this one.